Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import your Facebook username to WhatsApp. So, WhatsApp may also lets you use your Facebook username while setting up your WhatsApp username. Since both apps are part of Meta, this can make it easier to use consistent username across different services. However, this option only available if you have connected your Facebook account to WhatsApp. So, to use it, first open WhatsApp and then switch to U tab. Now here click on the pencil icon at the top and then go to username. Now here you will be prompted by a window where you know everything about WhatsApp username. To set username you have three different options if you have connected your Instagram and Facebook account with WhatsApp. The first one is create username. By tapping on it you can set WhatsApp username manually, whatever username you want to set. And the second and the third way is to just click on the Instagram username or Facebook username to simply reserve your other Meta account's username as your WhatsApp username. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.